Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to see the usage of Nexus through the freestyle job and see how we can utilize them into the business needs. So let's jump directly to the Jenkins and see the working. So as you know, we have just installed the Nexus repository for the working, and let's go to the Jenkins UI. First of all, you have to install a plugin called Nexus Upload Artifact for the usage. Go to the plugins, click on the available plugins, search for the Nexus. The first one is going to be Nexus Artifact Uploader. Select this plugin, click on install. So this is the plugin that needs to be installed. So you can search the details of the plugins over the web. All the details is available for the Nexus Artifact Uploader plugin. So entire every step how to use the Nexus pipeline and everything is available in the system. So we are going to start with the first freestyle job to see how to achieve the things. Now go to the dashboard, click on new item, let's say 25 Nexus. Click on pipeline, freestyle. Now click on OK. So as you know, we are going to use Git for the usage in order to upload the artifacts of a address book application. So this was the address book application. I'm copying the link, providing the Git URL. As you know, this is a public repository, no need of providing the credentials. Now into the build environment, you can delete your workspace before it starts. So it does help in removing the cache of the system. Now in the build step, first of all, let's go and start with the Maven build. Select Maven, then you can use package, and in the next build steps, click on Nexus Artifact Uploader. Select this option, provide the details. As you know, we are using the Nexus 3 for the working. This is the recent version. Now you have to provide the Nexus URL. So Nexus URL will be this, the public IP and on which port it's running. Provide the URL. Make sure HTTP is not available. As you can see from the details also, it should be without this HTTP. Remove this part. Now, okay. Credentials will be the same as we have set up for the admin. So click on add, click on Jenkins, provide the username admin. As I told, the password I set up is admin only. I'm using that. And Nexus. Description Nexus. Click on add. Now select the credentials. Group ID can be anything. Let's name it address book. And version, there is exactly a way we have to use the version. So let me show. Click on the browse out. There are several options available: Maven public, Maven releases, Maven snapshots. So we are gonna use Maven snapshots. So the main concept out here is Maven releases versus snapshot. Releases are the production level which are immutable, which can't be changed, whereas the snapshot are in the developing stage, which can be keep on changing. Different version can be put down. So you can say that in the Maven releases we put down the final version, whereas in the Maven snapshot we put down the versions that keeps on changing. So this is the version that you have to use. So this is the, when you go to the repository, there is a particular way of providing the version. Let's say we are having the version 1.0, then you have to specifically put down hyphen then capital snapshot for the working. This is the way of putting down the version. Now in the repository, you have to select the repository. As you know, the repository name is, these are the repositories available. Maven snapshot is the repository name. Maven snapshots. Now click on add. Artifact ID can be build, dev version or the build, any version you can give. Any, it totally depends. It's also a random name, so you can say this is dev environment, this is qa environment, this is build environment. So artifact ID can be anything. So you have to now provide the type of files that you want to upload. So as you know, we are uploading the var based packages, so var. You can keep the classifier empty. Classifier have any specific class of the artifact or not. Now file, so you have to provide the path of it, target, address book, the package you are creating .var. So this is the package I am creating. So now click on save. So after saving the file, now let's start build it. So as you can see, the build has been started. Let's go to the console output and see the steps. So it is building the package. Now as you can see, the artifacts uploadation is complete. Now let's go and check out here. In the welcome, as you can see, the unique login is 1 and the component has also changed to 1. Now click on the browser part, select the Maven snapshot. In the Maven snapshot, as I told, this is the first name where you are providing the name, then this is the group ID, then the versions accordingly, all the details are being used. So this is how you upload the things into the Nexus artifact repository for the working using a freestyle job. Thank you.